Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change or select the units of measurement on the Nike application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the profile icon down below, which is the last option. Now you should scroll down till you find the units of measure section and tap on it. Now you can select from these units of measurements. Tap on the relevant one, and then you should go back to the previous page, and now it has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.